Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add extra accounts on Metamask. So basically, if you went and downloaded Metamask like so, and this page will open, you click install, etc. And yeah, this page will be open for you. So let me just open the page, and yeah, this page will be open for you. And this page doesn't actually show you let me just change this and let's put this in here. Okay, forgot password. All right, I have to log out, so let me just log out from here, or let me just remove the extensions also. I can show you everything by detail. So here I should be able to remove the extension, so here it is. So here what I'm going to do is install Metamask again to show you everything specifically. So add extension, and yeah, now the extension will be in my PC, and now we open it. So here they will ask us to either recover our account or make a new account. For us, let's make a new account, which is pretty simple. Let's have this as our, for example, password. So let's save it in here, and then they will give us a face a recovery phrase. So this phrase is really important to save as well, so let's paste it in here, and here, yeah. Now let's copy this and see science, volley, fine, memo, method, big, pretty, same, ring of, same, better. So now we click on confirm, and here it is, our account. Now how we can actually add multiple accounts? Basically, you just have to click on your Metamask from here and click on these ones to see your expand and create a new account, or just click on this icon in here, and from here you can create accounts. So this is account 2, create, and here it is. So that's how you can actually click or make or create multiple accounts inside of your account of Metamask. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.